Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday, car. Anyway, sorry for the distraction. Let's dive right into this week's channel shout outs. And we'll do that, and I got another car. And I gotta find a new place to shoot. Alright. Let's jump right into stickers. We got one here from Michael Brunner. Excellent. Cool guy, just very cool guy. And then we got one, oh, I got a note too, sweet. We got Donna from Dream Creations and Adventures. She's a really cool sticker. I like that a lot. So, links will be down in the description. I'll read her note off camera. Let's dive right into today's shout out, this week's shout out. See if I can get one to pop out again. Let's go with a double shout out. Why not? First we have James G Adventures. Awesome dude. And we have Shovelhead 8. Rock on. Cool guys. Very cool guys. Of course, the links will be down below, like I said. Alright, stickers are in place. Michael Brunner right here. Dream Creations and Adventures right here. Sweet. It's the little things in life. Alrighty, so it's picking up around the house the other day, looking for something else, and came across this steak bag full of cedar bark. So I thought, well, hell, let's do some Flint steel. Because it's fun to do. I could use the practice. And a number of people commented how much they enjoy doing flint and steel, so this might be way more than I need. So I think I might just do this little pile because, you know, we have burn bans right now, so I don't want to, and there's a lot of heavy traffic on this road, so I just want to do a little fire that I can snuff out quick. I just realized I didn't even bring a water bottle. I have no way to snuff this. No, I think I have a jug of water that I can't reach because I got a dryer in the back of my truck. So a quick little processing job. You want to expose all these little fibers. Make yourself a simple little bird nest. Fluff it out. You know, bird nest making 101. I don't like it. I don't want it too tightly packed. There we go. It's probably still more than I need, but let's run it real time. Why not? Where is my... Oh, wrong bag. Got my char cloth. And I've got my... Of course it's at the bottom because, you know, naturally it's always at the bottom. I got my... This is actually a Habilis Bush Tools striker, so we'll use that today. As much as I really like my Serpent one, I use it on the last one. We get the I'm actually going to try a method of striking the ferro rod, or the ferro rod, that I saw my buddy Orion do. He's a cool guy up in Australia, of all places. Because, you know, YouTube is bringing us together internationally. And it was a method of striking sideways, which I've not done before. So we're going to strike, instead of going up or down, it's going across. Now I've never actually tried that before, so this be a first. I did see my buddy Shovelhead 8 try this sideways version. So, I don't know if I want to have it. Nope. Oop, oop, oop. You guys can see me, I hope. Nice. Had to kick it to the ground so it didn't melt my tailgate. Sweet. It worked really well. Gotta hand it to you, brother. Good call on the sideways. It probably would have worked the other way too, but I don't dislike that one bit. So I'll link Orion's video in the description as well, in case you're not sub to him, which I would wonder why, because he has a good channel. The problem is, everyone has been cranking out such amazing content, it's hard to keep up with everybody. It's like, I actually feel kind of bad sometimes. I'm like, damn, I didn't watch so-and-so's video today, and they just put up a new video, and well, you know, I'm only one man, so I can only do what I can do. Just in case a car goes rolling by, snuff that out. Alrighty, as always, I appreciate you watching. Please don't forget to check out Dream Creations and Adventures, Michael Brunner, Shovelhead 8, and James G Adventures. The 2 shoutouts and the 2 stickers. Also Orion, don't forget to check him out. He does a lot. If you're really interested in flint and steel stuff, he's been doing a lot of flint and steel videos, and they're really interesting. So yeah, so thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Happy Friday, enjoy your weekend, and yeah, catch you in the next